let's do an unboxing. And this is Eka. And this is me. So let's do an unboxing. This is a melody that I gave to Elika because school is starting on June 8th in Philippines. There we go. Unbox it. This is the melody. There we go. We have a pencil case, lapis, tapos ruler, sharpener, eraser, and crayons. Yes. Now let's open it. So good. Let's take this out. So this is the lapis. Two lapis. This is melody. Then this is the this is ruler, crayons. Kunin mo yung crayon mo. Kulay. This is the crayons. Open the crayons. See what's inside. It's just a crayon. Okay. Crayons. Then a sharpener. Let's put it back. Pencil case. Kasha to lahat. Elika ko cheese.
5.2 million plus, winner take all sales.
Ate, wag mo ito tapon na. Ayun silang ganito para maka-aral si Eka. Ganyan siya.
Now finally,
Kasha din yung crayons.
three more honors left. I'll connect you over now to our racetrack announcer before our opening race. Here's the Golden Boys, Papa Fix and Good afternoon. Take it away.
Ate, matatapos na. And this is the sharpener. Lagyan na namin lahat. Lagyan na namin. Ito, at ito. Ganyan mo lang siya. At kasya na. Yes. Bye-bye everyone. Bye-bye. Part 2. Part 2. Yes.